Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal stylist service with Stitch Fix, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a personal stylist service using Stitch Fix, begin by understanding the platform. Visit the Stitch Fix website to familiarize yourself with their business model. Create an account to explore the offerings available to both customers and stylists. Research the key features of Stitch Fix, including the styling process and customer preferences. Identify your target audience and the niche you want to serve, such as women's fashion or activewear. Develop a personal brand that showcases your styling philosophy and unique approach. Create a portfolio showcasing your previous work, if applicable, or curate a lookbook of style ideas. Leverage social media platforms to promote yourself and connect with potential clients. Focus on generating content that reflects your style expertise, such as fashion tips and outfit ideas. Reach out to friends and family to offer styling services and gather initial feedback. Once you feel confident, set up a professional website or profile to attract a broader audience. Utilize Stitch Fix's resources for stylists to get acquainted with their inventory and sizing. Practice assembling personalized boxes for different body types and style preferences. Gather testimonials from clients to build credibility and showcase your styling effectiveness. Engage in ongoing education by following fashion trends and best practices in personal styling. Create a pricing structure that reflects your expertise and the value of your services. Network with other stylists and professionals in the industry to share insights and strategies. Regularly evaluate your business progress and adjust your approach based on client feedback. Stay consistent with your marketing efforts to grow your client base over time. Celebrate your successes and refine your services to continually improve the stylist experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.